this is an important issue. Our Latino, African American, and API boys and men of color are at a crisis. And it's because of that we've done some amazing things over the last 6 years. Monterey County is home to over 400,000 residents whose geographic beauty draws over $2.5 billion in revenue from tourism, and where about 38% of the residents in East Salinas live in poverty, the far majority of who are boys and men of color. I represent the 59th Assembly District, which is South Los Angeles. And recently, we have the dubious distinction of being the poorest district in the state, the 59th Assembly District. We're in Los Angeles. We're near Silicon Beach, Beverly Hills, the entertainment industry. Yet, people of color are not having the advantage of the American dream. And it seems the same thing is happening here. We're near Carmel, Monterey, some of the wealthiest areas in the state, yet and still, places like Salinas is not able to have the full advantage of living the American dream. Poverty simply prevents and restricts opportunities. It inhibits a person's ability to assess resources that are available to wealthier families and helps to create greater inequalities within society. The purpose of this hearing, and this is the second one, the purpose of this hearing is to discuss pathways to equitable opportunities and outcomes and how we can begin to address the economic, educational, and health disparities for boys and men of color. But most important, this hearing is an opportunity to learn from community leaders, to understand both what programs and initiatives are working, as well as the current local issues that are negatively impacting our most vulnerable youth. I worked for the city of Los Angeles for 25 years. One of the reasons I ran for office, I had people, now I can talk about them now because I am an elected official, but I had all these elected officials who thought they knew better than the people in the community. They thought they knew how to get things done, and at the end of the day, they really didn't know nothing. I ran for office because I believe that the only way we can solve all our problems if we reach out to you and you tell us what we need to do, and then it's our responsibility to ensure that it gets done. This year, we're going to look at all the money we've poured into programs, all the legislation that we've done, everything that we've done. We need to find out if it actually is getting to you, the people. This is what this next 2 years, the boys and men of color, that will be our emphasis. Because as we're learning, money goes down and it trickles down, and a lot of times it gets stopped at the county level, sometimes at a state bureaucratic level, and sometimes at a city level. But we need to break through that so it gets to you.